Hello everyone, so today I will upgrade the Citrix Workspace app from version 2.2.03 in my case to the latest version, to the latest LTSR version, and I will do it with Ansible, so we can install multiple, we can upgrade, sorry, multiple VMs at the same time. It doesn't matter 2 or 100, they will all be done at the same time. So this is why Ansible is a great tool and it's helping us. So let's see, let's first see the VM. So this is one of the VMs. I have the version 2.2.03 installed, and it's running. The user is logged in, so we will do the upgrade with the user logged in. Yeah, the application will not run because if it runs, it will be trickier, I believe, so we can get some errors, but yeah, nevertheless, I just want to see it. So this, you can do this normally after hours when you do not have users logged in, so that you can be sure that you will not have too many errors. But I will do it with the user logged in because I want to see what's happening. This is the Ansible playbook. I also have a video on how to install it. It's a single on how to install and to do an initial install of the Workspace app. So basically it's one playbook, and it has two options. So when you start it, if you type install, then it will execute this block, so it will execute the tasks for the install, and if you type update, then it should do the tasks for the update. You can make the tasks do something based on an information that you type, or based on a variable if you use when. So in my case, when here the prompt user decision, anything I type here, I mean anything, if I type install, then it installs, and if I type update, then it updates. They are different. I made it like this because the command itself is the same, but the location of the location and the file name is different. So let's go to my share. I have where I have them. So here, and I have one folder for the initial install, and this is the version that I installed earlier, and now we want to update to the latest LTSR. It's much bigger, and yeah, it's 2402 and the latest hostfix. The command, it's the same like the install. So if you watched my video with the install, we are using the same command. We are installing silently. We are including the single sign-on. This self-service mode is disabled, and also the auto update, it is disabled. So the only thing that it's changing is the setup file, basically, and yeah, the location where the setup file is. So let's start, and also let me open this. So we have it, yeah, no access. We have it here. So this is the folder where the install was, the installer is, and now we should see an update folder copied from the share. Okay, where is my Ansible? Here. Okay, so let's go quickly to the playbook. It's checking just that the folder exists or not. If it exists, it removes it, and it in the second task it copies it back from the share, because in a productive environment we never know that that folder can contain other setups, and we do not want to mess it up. So this is why I'm cleaning up the folder and then recreate it. I'm copying the setup file, and then the last one I'm just executing that bat file. Okay, so let's go and check it. Let's quickly do a check if our VMs are online, both of them, Ansible, and then let's go Windows 10, because this is the group name, and we try to read the module Windows ping, and then we say minus E. I hope it's like this, hosts. Yeah, it looks good. So it should ping. We should have green for both of them. Yeah. And now we can execute the playbook, and the playbook it's called. We also execute it with forks too, because we want both servers to be installed at the same time. We do not want to lose time. And the playbook is called, how it's called, 6, and we need the vault mask, vault pass. Okay, let's type the password, and now what do we want to do? We want to update. Okay, it will skip the first tasks, because the first tasks are meant to install. It's checked the directories, it's copying now the files, and the installation has started. Yep, it copied them, and let's just wait for it a little bit. It doesn't take too much. After this finish, I will go back to my VM and check if the Workspace app has been updated. It should, and we shouldn't have any issues, because this is a straightforward process. So I've downloaded the file is so big because I've downloaded the full installer. This one, I do not want to have any files that are needed as dependencies and not have them in the installer. So this is why I use this one, the 700 megabyte. This contains everything from what I know, net framework, everything that it needs to successfully install the Workspace app. Okay, let's go back to our Ansible. I believe it will take 2 minutes or so. Okay, I believe it's done. Where is it? So for VM1 is done. I believe for VM02 it started a little bit later. Okay, all are done. Let's see. Do we have a new Citrix Workspace app? Okay, so it closed because it had to be closed, but we can check it with this. Okay, so we have the latest version, and we can also see that it has a different dependency, so it also installed the runtime and also upgraded the Visual C distributions. And what's new? Only those. Okay, let's also see that it starts. Where is it? Let's search for it. WorkspaceApp. Oh, here it is. Okay, and let's check. Okay, so the latest version, and of course we do not have that update option because we do not want that to be here in a productive environment for all the users to click on update. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.